and today we are going to be making shrimp coconut curry, or in Bengali known as Chingri Malaikari. So let's do it. So first let's marinate the shrimp, turmeric powder and salt. Now let's mix it well. Now we are going to let it marinate for 15 minutes. So now the pan is heated up. So now we are going to add mustard oil. So now the oil is heated up. So we are going to add black cardamom, bay leaves, dried red chilies and cloves. So now we are going to add chopped onions. Now we are going to slightly fry the onion. Now we are going to add ginger garlic paste. So now we are going to add the spice powder. So first we will start with the turmeric powder, and then the cumin powder, and the red chili powder. So now let it cook for 5 minutes. Now let's add some chopped tomato. Now let's add some salt. Now let it cook for 10 minutes. So now the spices have been cooked, so let's add the shrimp. So now add 2 spoons of water. Cook it for 10 minutes. Now let's let's add some coconut milk. Wow, such a beautiful color. This is called authentic Bengali Chingri Malaikari. Now let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's add some garam masala. Now let's add some clarified butter. Now let's add some sugar to it. Now let it cook for 5 minutes. So now the shrimp coconut curry is ready. In Bengali, it is known as the Chingri Malaikari. So let's serve it. So now I'm going to taste it. Its best part is the gravy. The gravy's coconut flavor is really good. You must try this at home. The shrimp is lajavad. You can try this with rice, parathas, but it mostly tastes better with rice. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button and share the video too. So goodbye. See you soon.